Hi traders, Anthony here. This is the dollar yen on a 1 minute chart. What I like about this is what I'm seeing as far as price action is concerned here. What we'll do in the video, I'm going to go back and show you something, and then we'll go out to a higher time frame and just get a bit of a perspective. But see this nice rounded sort of top end that we've got going on here on the lower time frame. We can see how it's kind of breaking down. Okay, it's a bearish move here and a bit of an attempt to come back. This is rolling over. If we look at this on the daily or the 4 hour, we're going to see that this is well and truly overextended, and we've traded up into a big level. Before we go out to the high time frame, let me show you something. I want you to have a look at these. This is our breakout, range breakout, but it's not just a range breakout. It's a break of that second level here. That's the first one, that's the second one. In any case, to cut a long story short, we're always looking for this signal, the pullback, retest and fail, and then we have a trade. So I'm waiting for the bearish version of this to kind of give me a go ahead here. And I think we should see some nice results with that. But let me just go back here. I've already gone back and I've marked these out. Every one of these. There's the break, and we look for the retest and fail. The retest into the mean. There's the break. We'll retest and fail here. Even if we took it there or here, it would have given us a nice outcome. Every signal, 15 out of 15, have given us. Okay, this is a 1 minute chart. We get the signal, we wait for the pullback into the mean, and then we take it. I'll quickly show you this. Every single one of these. And some of them, we get a bit more of an extended move out of it, but I've spent years on this and come up with these indicators to give me the trades that I want. Look at that. There's your signal, wherever you can kind of catch that, or here. Now, generally I'll get in when it pulls back into the mean. That would have been my entry most likely, but yeah. And there's two strategies here. One's the range break, and the other one is that you see these counter trend. Look at these counter trend trades, and some of them will give you a reversal as well. Look at that, arrows everywhere. Breakout here, guys. I mean, which one of these would you not want to take? There's your long, there's a short. Okay, the break, the pull back into the mean. That one was a little bit short-lived, but we got a trade out of it. And I'm always looking to take 80% out early, generally around 1 times the ATR, average true range. Okay, see this trend here? Look at this move, and look where we get in. You don't see any signals, but you do see that. Okay, this is the magic of these signals. Okay, some of them are a bit short-lived, but it's giving us the break. We look for the retest. Okay, got a little bit out of that, but I mean, look at that. They're the ones you want. And you could come in here, no technical analysis whatsoever. 1 minute time frame. You get plenty of time. Like you get the break. There's the breakout. You just wait for the retest and fail. That was a little bit long-winded, but we got that one. There it is. Okay. I get you in right at the beginning. Guys, have a look at the link below the video. Here's the break. Retest here. Okay, some of them are better than others, but these signals as well. We got overextended trade signals, and we've got the range breakout trade signals. That one was short-lived, but there's the retested fail here, and we got that. But look at this. Okay. Anyway, I've gone back 15, and we've got a 15 out of 15 win rate with these. It's absolutely brilliant signal. Let me just go back out now, and I'll show you what we're looking at on the higher time frame. So this is basically looking at this with no technical analysis whatsoever. We're just simply trading this signal purely off the signal. So if you want to add a bit of TA, we've got these shaded levels here. You can see this is accumulation and distribution. We've overlapped them, so the thicker the level, the the stronger the resistance or support. Now you can see down through here we've got a bit of a price gap through here. Okay, the darker area. This is just on the 1 minute, by the way, and it's my version of a volume profile, but it goes further back than the visible range volume profile. So let's just clear all of that, coming back to a purely having a look at this from a different perspective. Thin leg, quite a big actually, and a little bit of a pin bar here. This is a weekly level. Okay, so we're rejecting here up at this weekly level. Okay, and you can see as we go back on the daily here, this is a level to contend with. It's overextended. All right, so from that perspective it makes sense that we short it. Guys, the link is in the description below the video. See here, we can see where we're trading. There's our weekly key level, and we've got a daily key level here, the yellow one, another yellow line through here. Okay, so this is a daily key level. Our indicators are based on the average true range. We've actually got that down here, by the way. All of this stuff you see on here is different variations of calculating the ATR. Gives you a wonderful data. So anyway, again, thin leg from a purely price action perspective. Thin leg, big level here. I'm expecting some kind of pullback. How far back, who knows? 4 hour chart. I mean, even if we go from this level here, our good old Fib pullback kind of thing, it wouldn't surprise me. You know, we get a decent retrace into liquidity. Right now, big players, speaking of liquidity, it's exactly what they need. And where you have these thin legs, we're going to look potentially for this to trade back down, looking for this is liquidity here. Well, most likely this is not actual order flow that you get in the futures, but it's going to tell you where there's accumulation and distribution and where they've overlapped historically to give us these levels. So this level where there's most likely going to be resting liquidity. Just coming back into the 1 minute chart, so we've had some pretty volatile movement here. Essentially what's going on is we have this range through here. This thing, what did it do? It kind of whipped up, it whipped down through here and then up through here. This is smart money sending this into liquidity. Right, so everybody who's shorting this, there's a build-up of stop losses right through this level here, and everyone who's going long has resting liquidity under here in the form of stop losses. Okay, so we dip down here, and then that's exactly what this is. Okay, so many traders get cleaned out when this happens. In any case, I'm going to be waiting for potential setup. And I like the idea of shorting this, but I want to see this roll over. It'll make my job so easy. If we get a red one of these as this moves to the downside, okay, so we're starting to see a little bit of movement. All I need is this signal wherever it fires, and then I'm looking for the pull back into the mean, retest and fail, and then I'm going to short that. I really do think we're going to see some downside. Could be wrong, but wait for the signal and trade the signal. It's as easy as that. Okay guys, look, I'm going to wrap it up here. Click the link below, join my Telegram, go to my website, head over to the pricing page on the website. This is extraordinary value for a measly cup of coffee and a cake per month, or maybe a couple of cups of coffee. Honestly, there's nothing like this anywhere on the internet. And we go one step further. Try it for 7 days. And for whatever reason, this absolutely applies. Jump on board, guys. Give this a shot and find out what could be possible. Bitcoin and Skrill options, contact me or PayPal down the bottom. With that, safe trading. Take care. Have a great day. See you in the next video.